Hello, welcome back. Today let's talk about Leetcode problem 2831, find the longest equal subarray. So this is in the weekly test. And now let me just explain a little bit about the problem and then explain my contesting code. So this code is exactly the contesting code I did for solving this problem. So we are giving an array nums. So this k means we can delete k numbers. For example, we can delete 3 numbers. We can delete, let's just take this example. So the optimal way is delete index 2 and index 4. We'll delete this 2 and this one. So this is 3 and 3 will be connected if we delete. So that means we can get the result of 3. It can be proven that no longer equal subarrays can be created. This means you cannot create an array more than 3 with the same numbers. As you can see, this is the maximum. Or you can also delete the first one, the second one, the first 0 index, index 2, and index 5. Because k is equal to 3, it means at most you can delete 3 numbers. After that, it is still 3. We'll have 3 threes. So it's the result. As you can see, for this kind of a question, we can use sliding windows to solve the problem. So this is exactly what I did for the contest. Before I also used the maxed counter from the nums L to r plus 1 dot values. Actually, this is my max frequent. Because if I use this kind of a syntax, it means I will take more time. I just need to use on time to finish the sliding window. So this is why I take it out. So I take it out as a max frequency. And L is the left pointer, and result is my final return. And the default dict int is just a dictionary. So for the R pointer, right pointer, and C, here I did something. I use a character. Actually, it should be a number. But I used the C in enumerate nums. So I didn't use the C actually. Inside of coding, I was trying to use the C, but finally I didn't use it. So d nums r should plus equal by 1. This is because of the sliding window. While we are checking the for loop, we also need to put the nums r, put this number, for example, put 1 inside our dictionary. So why? Because we need a dictionary to find the maximum frequency of the values. Basically, for this example, we need to find this 3 because we have 3 threes. So for the dictionary, we're gonna have 1. How many ones? There's only 1, and then goes to 3 inside of the dictionary. It has 1, 3, and then the dictionary takes the k as 2, and the value will be 1. So the value will be numbers. So the maximum frequency, here I used the max frequency, it will be the max of itself and d nums r. This is simple because if you use nums r plus 1 or anything else, you're gonna just record the result. So this is our result of the max frequency. Why we need a max frequency? Because we need the while tag. So this while tag is for r plus 1 minus l. This means, for example, for the total num array, the index 0 to index 5. Let's just check the final condition. So this r means to index 5 plus 1, it is 6. 6 minus l, it is 0. It means the result is 6. It just means the length of the array. So the 6 need to minus the max frequency. So the max frequency is 3 because we have how many threes? 3 threes. We have only 2 ones and only 1 2. It means the max frequency is 3. And how many of them? So we have 3. So this is 3. So it is minus 3. 6 minus 3, it is still 3. 3 is not more than k. If it is more than k, we will do something. But if it is not more than k, here I can get my result. So my result will be the result itself and the length of the array minus the minimum of length of nums minus the maximum frequency and the k. So why I used so complicated? Because during the competition I also did something error cases and I try to fix it. I find it if I only use k that is not right, and then I use the minimum of less nums minus the max frequency because there are some edge cases. Yeah. Now let me explain here the while loop here. So while it is more than k, it means we have more threads. Maybe we have 4 threads, so we need to shift the sliding window. So how should we shift it? Before we shift it, we need to update the dictionary. So dnums L should minus 1, and we need to update the maximum frequency, because when we update the left pointer, the max frequency may be changed, so we need to update it. After that, the L pointer should be shifted by 1 to the right side. And here, as you can see, it is too complicated, but let me submit it. As you can see, it works. But this is because I solved with a lot of edge cases and then find the case. It should be the minimum with k and the length of nums minus maximum frequency. This is also simple to understand. Yeah, as you can see, this is R plus 1 minus L. It is the length of the array, and then minus. So this inside it is also the so inside it is the length of nums minus the maximum frequency. Actually, as you can see, it is 100%, but this is too difficult to understand. Even I passed in the contest, but it's really difficult to understand. Actually, I don't need to write so long lines of code. Yeah, as you can see here, it is 100%. It seems the speed is okay. It is just on. So what I needed to do is I just needed to use the max frequency. I don't need to use any other variables to check. As you can see, this is so simple, because what are we doing? We are just setting the max frequency. For here, this max, when it goes to here, for example, the max frequency is 3, it is 2, and when it goes to here, it is still okay. So the maximum frequency is 3 because we have 3 threads, and this is deleting the numbers, and there are also 3 numbers. It seems it is okay. Now let me submit it to check if it works.